Hello guys, today I have a 2014-2015 Chevy Impala, and the EC compressor working, and I touched the bulb was cold, but inside was only blowing hot or heat or warm, however you want to call it. So when I changed the temperature to heat, like here now, you gotta have to listen if the air sound it change. If it didn't change, then you have a problem with the temperature door blend. So I don't know, both sides, the temperature, the door blend was bad. So I decided to replace it, and now I have cold over here on both sides. So I'm gonna show you the location for the driver's side and the passenger side temperature door blend. So for the driver's side, go down here. Oh my god, I forgot. I put the cover. I'm so sorry, guys. It's the first one when you remove this covers to 7mm bolts. It's gonna be video. And if you wanna test it first, you can take it off and then you can manually remove the little plastic shifter thing. Anyway, let me show you the passenger side. Turn this off for now. The passenger side, if you go down here and remove the other little cover right there. And there is also this tube with one 7mm bolt, and then you're gonna need the socket. This store, the 20T. Yeah. And then you go down here on the left side kick panel. You can see that one. Both is the same. Part number, and you're gonna see the driver's side facing the passenger side from the other side. So there is one bolt right now, you see, and one on the other corner on top. Only two bolts. You're gonna lose that and disconnect this plug. You see this, the little yellow arm behind it? That's how you test it. When you turn the temperature knob from cold to hot, you should see this one move it for the passenger side, and for the driver's side is the same thing. And here is the part number. I got this from Chevy. Actually, the owner got it, so I don't know how much, but it's cheap. So that is it. If you do like the video, please like and subscribe for more videos. And if you have any questions, just comment below. Thanks.